Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Cash App referral code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Cash App on your device. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top right corner to open your account settings. On this page, scroll down until you find the Invite Friends option, then tap on it. Cash App may display your contact list so you can quickly invite people you know. To get your referral link, tap the Share icon in the top right corner. A sharing menu will appear with several options. Simply tap Copy to copy your referral link to your clipboard. You can now paste this link into a message, email, social media post, or anywhere you'd like to invite others. When someone signs up using your referral link and completes the required qualifying steps, both of you may be eligible for a referral bonus, depending on the current Cash App promotion and your account eligibility. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get Cash App referral code. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.